Welcome to Pavithra laptop care. Today I have received a laptop here. It's HP 15R036TU. Okay. The customer is a technician. Okay. He want his laptop service with live video. Okay, from my side. So that's why I am doing this live video. We want to know exactly where he was wrong. That's why he opened the laptop and sent to me. Name Mr. Lucky. Okay, let me check what he has done and what his problem. Just he told 1 or 2 times it switched on and he replaced the keyboard. After that he didn't get anything. Okay, we check switch on the DC. Now in open condition, amp is 0.011. when I press the power button, 003. okay, when I press the power button, 0.015. What could be the problem, Mr. Lucky? If you are lucky, it will get ready. Okay, let me check. I have reserved more laptops with this particular model number. Okay, now there is no keyboard, no hard disk, everything got removed. The Wi-Fi is connected. Sometimes Wi-Fi also will give problem, so remove this. Now it is in open condition. First, the basic step is, what are the connected device? First we need to disconnect. Okay, so Lucky, first you have to do the experiment without any external accessories. Okay, first you need to remove all accessories from the motherboard. For safer side, I open this. There is a register book. See, I connected only power cable, and your problem is sometimes it switched on and sometimes it not. Means only 2 times it was switched on and now no power on, right? So when we checked in DC supply, it was 0.003, and when we press the power button, 0.015. Now again same thing I will do. Okay, in this motherboard, here from the last 1 and 2, 1 is ground and 2 is the power button. Okay, here from last I am telling. So I will switch it on. Be able to see, yes. Good. Something increase. See? Okay. So the problem, amp increase here. Okay. I will connect to the cabinet panel and check. Connect the display cable and let me check. I can't judge now itself exactly what the problem. So step by step we will go. It may be difficult or simple, whatever it may be, accurate result required. So that's the reason I am doing this video. It's not like that once we get the display and we'll give to the customer. So again it will come to the problem mode again to you only. So that's the reason any technician, before giving to customer, please completely check 1 or 10 times, then we can give to customer. Just I want to confirm where exactly the problem. Okay, say I remove the LAN connection, I mean Wi-Fi connection. I just connected the display and again I am trying here. Okay, see, DC 0.010 0.003, it means it's correct only. So mobile PC, mobile processor, display came. So lucky, so lucky, but you're very unlucky in service. So I don't know why. Anyway, once again I'll check. I'll connect the Wi-Fi card. Again I'll check. Talaki, please see. Again display has come. Okay, here I am very lucky. Okay, anyway, and one more card was telling. See, this is the USB cable. This also I'll try. Let's check what is the exact issue. So lucky, our service speed is very high. Can't do the video, but anyway, for reverse purpose we are doing the video slowly. I connected this. Connected this. Okay, USB 1. Again, put this one. Screw. Speaker also I'll connect. Okay, once again. DC machine, check. I'll switch it on. Switch it on. Again display came. So there is no problem with this USB port also. Okay, anyway, hard disk also I will connect. Consistence. See, Mr. Lucky, I'm connecting the hard disk. Again, I'm connecting the hard disk also. I'll try. Okay. See the amp, good only. stuff and they came. What to check? Okay, anyway, you told you when you change the keyboard, then only it got the problem. Anyway, I'll connect the power switch. First, I'll check with power button. Okay, sometimes some power button also issue will come. Anyway, see. Mr. Lakesh, see, here is the main issue. When you press the power button, the DC amp reading is 0.015. Okay, something wrong in this power switch. Right, see, when you press the power button, 0.015 and 0.17. Here is the problem. I will connect the keyboard. Let us check. Connected the keyboard. See, same DC reading. I do one thing. I'll remove the power connection and manually I'll try. Okay. See, Mr. Lucky, here I'm concluding this. So main basically problem is with your power button. Okay, see, it's not keyboard issue or not other issues. Wi-Fi is good and USB connectors also good, display cable also good, motherboard also absolutely working fine. Main issue with your power button. Okay, don't worry, it may be silly or complicated, whatever it may be. Step by step you can learn yourself. Don't assume without any confirmation. Okay, anyway, you thought it may be keyboard issues or you done something wrong, you are getting afraid, so don't be afraid. Okay, you change your power button. I can show you where exactly the problem, but I don't have time, lack of time, so I am concluding this video. Thank you very much.